feature. I got something that I like to teach ya. I be dripping that magic sauce, and they be staring like, who's the boss? Bonjour, hola, konnichiwa, and to the old say au revoir. You've been waiting for a really long while. The time is now, don't turn it down. I got a feeling that you got a feeling that this is gonna be good. I got a feeling that you got a feeling that this is gonna be good. Say hello to the new world winner. I'm the queen of them all. Say hello, I'm a marquee feature. I'm the best of them all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. Today I'm going to be spilling the tea on my hair from my makeup video. And if you did not watch that video, be sure to watch it. The comment section was going crazy, and not about my makeup. It was more so about my hair. So today I'm going to be hooking you all up, giving you all the deets. So right now I'm showing you all my hair, well, a part of it. I only have the front out, but this is my hair texture. It's 4B4C. Some of you guys try to tell me that I don't have any 4C, but I know my hair. There's some 4C in here. So this is what it looks like. Right now I'm prepping my hair for the bomb looks that I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. Today I'm going to be showing you all a number of different styles. And I know you guys are wondering, is it crochet braids? Is it clip-ins? Is it a sew-in? Is it a wig? Well, I'm going to show you in a minute. But right now, I'm just tucking my hair away under a stocking cap. And I'm also going to lay these edges down. Whenever I typically lay my edges down, I will use Eco Styler gel as well as Got2b glue gel. But for this particular video, because I'm going to be doing so many different styles, I'm only going to be using the Eco Styler gel. Because once you put that Got2b glue on top, it's set. Your hair is not going to move, and I generally do that because of where I live. I want to avoid my hair from shriveling up, pretty much. Alright, so now it's time for the big reveal. What hair are you wearing? Quit playing. So this unit is a HerGivenHair unit, and it is a headband wig. Can y'all believe that? I was on FaceTime with my twin sister the other day, and I had this hair in, and she swore up and down it was my hair. She could not believe that it was a headband wig. So I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I did to it to get it looking amazing, which it already looks really good right out of the package. But this is one of their newer units. HerGivenHair is now doing multi-texture units for our sisters out there who don't have one texture or who would like to explore multiple textures. So this unit has Kinky and Coily. And y'all know that is my hair to the T. Well, most of y'all know. My hair is not necessarily coily. It is a mix between the two. So this texture is my hair in a wig form. How cool is that? So right now I'm showing you all the construction of the unit. It does come with a headband and Velcro in the back for security. It also comes with combs on the inside as well as an adjustable strap. So I like to start by co-washing any of my natural hair wigs. So I'm going to be using the Aussie 7-in-1 Miracle Conditioner. I'm also going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush in order to define the curls. So I'm going to show you all that process and then I'll come back on.
I'm blessed, I'm glossy, I'm too hot to handle. Cause I am amazing. I'm fresh, I'm flossy, I'm blessed, I'm glossy. Can't hold a candle to me, cause they can't handle me. I'm living, I'm winning, not timid. They giving me a standing ovation, cause I am amazing.
So now let's get into these two textures. So this unit is a mix of Coily as well as Kinky. And if you look at the textures much closely, you'll notice that the Coily texture is looser than the Kinky texture. Y'all, this hair looks so juicy and so natural. Later on in this video, I will show you guys a comparison between 3 different textured headband wigs that I own. But right now we're going to get into stylers. So for this textured natural hair wig, I'll be using the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. And I like this product because it not only moisturizes, but it also gives the hair a really nice hold. And I'm going to pair it with my favorite product. I rave about this product. It's the Dark and Lovely All Natural Curl Defining Glaze. This is an anti-shrinkage product, but it's also really, really good for my natural hair wigs in providing longevity of moisture. So I feel like with that particular product, I don't have to worry about re-moisturizing the hair on a daily basis. It lasts for a good amount of time because of this particular product. Now that I've applied my stylers, I'm going to allow the hair to air dry overnight. And I like to angle my wig stand in a manner so that the hair is getting as much air as possible so it's fully dry in the morning. So it's the next morning and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. So now let's do a quick texture shot while the hair is dry. I also got this unit in length 18, by the way. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys different textures. So this first texture is the curly texture, which is the loosest texture. I'm also going to show you guys a headband wig with bangs that I have. That's in the all coily texture. And that's been my favorite texture. But I'm telling you guys, this multi-textured with the kinky and the coily, I don't know. This might be my new fave. You get the best of both worlds with this particular unit. But as you can see on the left, I have the coily texture. And then on the right, you have both textures. And the coily texture unit is one of my older units, so it looks a bit dry. So I did decide to spray some hair polisher on it to give it some sheen. So now it's time to install this gorgeous natural hair wig. So I'm going to start by taking off my scarf and I'm showing you all what my edges are looking like. Now that our edges are laid, I'm going to put the unit on. I'm going to start by detaching the Velcro in the back and then putting it over my stocking cap. A good tip that I suggest to you guys is holding your fingers over where the Velcro is while putting it on, so then you don't have any friction with your hair or anything, so you don't experience any damage, because the Velcro can pull on your natural hair. So in the back, you're going to attach the Velcro. For added security, you can use the adjustable straps that come with the unit. And also at the top, there are combs, but I wouldn't recommend inserting the combs directly into your scalp, but rather just put them in over the stocking cap, if that makes sense. So then you have the security, but not the tension. But y'all, look at her. This is my hair. Y'all can't tell me nothing. So now I'm going to get into the headband that I'm going to be using. I will link it down in the description box. This is a FENDI Dupe headband, and I got many inquiries on Instagram as to which headband I was wearing. So I'll be sure to link that in the description for you guys. After I do this, I'm going to get into some styles, so stay tuned.
Come on and catch that vibe. Don't stop until the feeling's right. Spin around, come on, let's take a ride. We'll be feeling good in no time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. It's as simple as ABC. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it.
All right, so now we're getting down to my favorite part of these headband wig videos, and that is the styling portion. I'm gonna show you guys different ways to style this headband wig with the headband and without. I'm also gonna show you all some styles with no leave out and with leave out.
Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like that. Like that. Look over here, I'm gonna show you what I got. Cause once I get it, no, I'm never gonna stop. It's so effortless, don't even need to try. I'm gonna do my thing DIY. I like it flawless and I like it clean. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. Just like a fantasy, just like a dream. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like
Wow, y'all, this looks so good. I can't even stand it. It looks so natural. This looks like it is growing out of my scalp. It is like crazy good. I have one more style that I'm going to show you guys, and it's going to be a high puff, so stay tuned. Check the description. I have all the links and specifications for you guys. I'll also include the products that I use. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You make me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished, no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. I swear that it ain't fair